technology helps us to make more efficient use of the resources on which we rely for survival. Nowadays, as people pay more and more attention to ecological construction, the whole world is gradually growing aware of the significance of sustainable development. Although enjoying the convenience provided by traditional energy, people are also troubled by environmental pollution. To align with the sustainable development strategy, meeting the growing demands of clean energy and efficient environmental protection equipment in the field of HVAC is an extremely urgent task. Beijing Leadway Power Company Limited has always deemed its duty as actively focusing on environmental protection and taking on social responsibility. We strive hard on the front line of promoting and applying clean energy and efficient environmental protection equipment in China. Beijing Leadway Power Company Limited is committed to the promotion and application of infrared radiant heating in China, with environmental protection technology services and environmental protection product sales as its main business. With its low carbon and environmental-friendly products, exquisite design, powerful sales, installment and after-sales maintenance team, as well as rigorous, responsible, professional, and meticulous service, Leadway Power is far ahead of its peers, becoming the industry leader. The company has applied its products and technical services in large industrial spaces to excellent effect. In order to solve the difficulties of heating in large spaces, an issue that has been troubling domestic enterprises for many years, Leadway Power has introduced Italian IMPRESIND gas radiant heating equipment to China. The equipment uses infrared radiant heating technology, which is not only energy efficient, but also effectively reduces gas stratification in high and large spaces, reduces temperature gradients, improves hygiene standards, and thus meeting the heating needs of high and large spaces in an all-round way. The company customizes gas radiant heating equipment for different types of buildings and provides the most suitable heating solutions. IMPRESIND provides high-quality gas-fired radiant heating equipment and solutions for China Southern Airlines hangar, the world's largest, located at China Eastern Airlines at the Beijing Daxing International Airport, and a span of 405 meters and a height of 40 meters. This huge hangar fully reflects the efficacy of IMPRESIND heating equipment when applied to large spaces. The Heilongjiang Coca-Cola Company and the Ganjiang Water Factory have completely solved the problem of heating spaces under extremely cold temperatures by adopting gas radiant heating equipment. The constant temperature in the workshop provides customers with the double benefit of product quality and personnel comfort, greatly facilitating production efficiency and the advanced environment suitable to world-class enterprises. In Changchun, FAW Tianjin Company Limited's new Tianjin factory project, Leadway Power has solved the problems of heating a large floor area, numerous new plants, large independent plants in the large spaces through product application, thus providing a guarantee of market demand. The same technology has also been well applied in the Tianhai Group's projects. In the China Post Group Corporation project, IMPRESIND gas radiant heating equipment adopted an HTSG patent connection system, rendering the radiant tubes perfectly sealed so that even under thermal expansion, the direction of the radiation belt can be changed and set at different angles. The equipment satisfies the China Post Group's design structure requirements for the plant's appearance and has been highly praised by the customer. With excellent product quality and professional after-sales, Leadway Power stands out among other heating solution suppliers. Since IMPRESIND gas radiant heating equipment has been put into use for many years, it has been widely praised and has achieved outstanding results. The company's business scope covers Beijing, Shenyang, Harbin, Shandong, Hebei, Tianjin, Henan, Inner Mongolia, Xinjiang, and and other provinces and cities. The company has been well received by numerous customers in different fields, such as China Southern Airlines, China Eastern Airlines, Euromilky Air, Taikou Xiamen Aircraft Engineering Company Limited, Beijing Shugang Group, Shanghai Bao Steel, China Post Group, BMW Logistics Industry, Changchun FEW Group, Coca-Cola, Budweiser Beer, Gunter Water Group, Aimer Group, Benteler Tianjin Factory, and the Zhonghan Group. Leadway Power, pioneering the new field of energy conservation and environmental protection through efficient heating equipment. In the future, Leadway Power will adhere to the strategic guideline of winning customers' trust with strong performance and creating a bright future according to principle, upholding the concept of green and efficient technology development. Leadway Power will always keep its mission in mind, constantly innovating, contributing to China's low-carbon future, and striving for the realization of the great Chinese dream.